This question is about sodium halides. State what is observed when silver nitrate solution is added to sodium fluoride solution. So silver nitrate solution AgNO3, sodium fluoride NaF. So this would make AgF, but AgF is soluble, it doesn't make a precipitate. So we would see a colourless solution, or you could say no visible change. State one observation when solid sodium chloride reacts with concentrated sulfuric acid. So sodium chloride is not a powerful enough reducing agent to reduce the sulfuric acid, so there is just an acid-base reaction between sodium chloride and sulfuric acid, where sulfuric acid donates a proton to the chloride ion. Chloride ion accepts that proton. We see steamy white fumes of HCl. It says, what's the role of the chloride ion? Well, the chloride ion is accepting a proton, so the chloride ion is a base. So we're doing NaBr and we're doing the redox reaction between NaBr and H2SO4. And it says, explain using oxidation states why this is a redox reaction. You may need to do some working out on this because unless you've remembered it, you've got to construct a redox reaction from the two. So the bromide ions are oxidized to bromine, and with bromide, sulfuric acid is reduced to sulfur dioxide. And so we can see we end up with this equation, and we can combine those to say H2SO4 plus 2 H pluses and 2 Br minuses goes to Br2 plus SO2 plus 2 waters. And it says, explain why this is a redox reaction. Bromine, bromine changes oxidation state from -1 in Br minus to 0. It is oxidized. Sulfur changes from +6 in sulfuric acid to +4 in sulfur dioxide. It is reduced. How is it redox? It is reduced, and we've got something reduced and something oxidized. State what is observed when aqueous chlorine is added to sodium bromide. So this is one of the displacement reactions. Well, it's an ionic equation, so we're not going to include the sodium, but we're displacing. So another redox reaction, bromide is becoming bromine, chlorine is becoming chloride, and we're just going to balance that out. So what would we observe? Well, we would observe the presence of the bromine forming, so we'd see a yellow-orange, depending on the concentration, solution.